Good morning, viewers. Today, 19th November 2020, we are going to revise essay questions in reproduction. Your teacher is Dr. Bbosa Science. Telephone plus 256 778 633 682. Our website is digitalteachers.co.ug. Here find notes, exams, marking guides in physics, chemistry, biology, math and science from primary to senior 6. Or visit our YouTube channel, Digital Teachers Uganda. Go to YouTube channel where there is search, type in Digital Teachers Uganda. You will be given categories of videos to choose from. I'm begging you to subscribe and promote my videos. Subscription is free. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College plus 256 753 80 27 09. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School plus 256 772 84 9106. Number 1, the figure below shows viability of grass seeds at different conditions. A. From the figure, state the factors that affect viability. You can pause and answer. The answer is humidity, temperature, and storage time. B. Describe the effect of each factor in A on viability of seeds. You can pause and answer. The higher the humidity, the faster the seeds lose viability. 2. The higher the storage temperature, the faster the seeds lose viability. And 3. The longer the seeds are stored, the higher they lose viability. C. Explain the effect of each of the factors on the viability of seeds. Higher humidity and temperature promote growth of molds, infections, and pests of seeds. They also promote respiration and exhaustion of food reserves. The longer the seeds are stored, the higher the damage due to molds and infections and respiration. Number 2A, distinguish between dormance and hibernation. You can pause and answer. Dormance is a period of halted growth, while hibernation is a period of reduced metabolic activity in organisms. Number 2B, list causes of seed dormance. You can pause and answer. Immature embryo, impermeable seed coat to water and oxygen. 3. Presence of growth inhibitors. 4. Some seeds require exposure to light before they can germinate. Number 5. Some seeds require cold treatment to germinate. 2C. Give advantages of seed dormance. You can pause and answer. arrive time for seed dispersal, enable seeds to withstand adverse conditions. 3. Enable seeds to mature. 2D. Suggest ways of breaking seed dormancy. You can pause and answer. Removal of impermeable seed coat. 2. Subjecting seeds to cold treatment. 3. Soaking seed to remove growth inhibitor. 4. Exposure to light. 5. Apply growth promoters. 2D. Explain why dormancy is more common in weed seeds than tropical forest trees. You can pause and answer. Weed seeds have little food reserves that should germinate only in favorable conditions. Their seeds are indehiscent, that they have impermeable hard seed coats, have short life cycle, that they release immature seeds. Their seeds have growth inhibitors. 3A. Give ecological importance of each of the following structural arrangement. 1. Monoecious. 2. Dioecious. Monoecious increase chance of pollination and production of offspring. Dioecious increases the chances of variation from cross-pollination and chances of survival in different environmental conditions. 3B. Explain why in dioecious plants, male plants are associated with dry soil, while female plants with moist soil. You can pause and answer. Male plants are associated with dry soil to produce light dry pollen grains for wind pollination. Female plants with moist soil to provide moist sticky stigma to receive pollen grains and to have enough water for development of embryo. 2B. Explain why all dioecious plants are wind pollinated. Female and male plants are usually far apart, that wind increases the chances of pollination with less adaptations. 3C. Give a reason why dioecious plants are rare despite the chances of variation. You can pause and answer. Because only half the plants produce seeds. The female produce seeds, the male don't produce seeds. Number 4. The figure below represents a section through the ovary of a flower. Part A. 1. Name parts A, B, C, D. You can pause and answer. A. Style. B. Ovary sac. C. Ovum or egg. D. Integuments. E. Micropyle. A2. State the functions of each part in A1. You can pause and answer. A. Allows passage of pollen grain. B. Protects inner parts. C. Protects female gamete. D. Develops into seed. E. Develops into seed coat. F. Allows entry of male nuclei. Number 4B. In the space below, draw a mature pollen grain. Number 4C. Explain what is made by double fertilization. You can pause and answer. Double fertilization is the occurrence of two independent nuclear fusion during fertilization in embryo sac of a flowering plant. One male nucleus with egg nucleus to form a zygote, another with two polar nuclei to form an endosperm. Number 5A. Explain how asexual reproduction produces offsprings identical to the parent. You can pause and answer. In asexual reproduction, offspring are produced by mitosis and no genetic material mixing occurs. 5A2. Explain how sexual reproduction causes variation among offsprings. You can pause and answer. Crossing over allows exchange of genetic material among homologous chromosomes. Random arrangement and segregation of homologous chromosomes in metaphase 1. Random arrangement and segregation of chromatids in metaphase 2. Random fusion of gametes at fertilization. 5C. Under what circumstances may variation 1 occur in asexually produced offspring? 2. Not occur in sexually produced offspring. You can pause and answer. Variation may occur in asexually produced offspring due to environmental effect, due to mutation, or in the case of haploid parthenogenesis. Variation may not occur in sexually produced offspring when crossing over does not occur, in the case of inbreeding, in the case of hermaphrodism. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I'm begging you to subscribe and promote my videos. Subscription is free. Website digitalteachers.co.ug. Here find notes, exams and their marking guides in physics, chemistry, biology and math and PLE. Or visit our YouTube channel, Digital Teachers Uganda, for related videos in physics, chemistry, biology and math. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College plus 256 753 80 27 09. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School plus 256 772 84 91 06.